Say hey. 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 Hey, sunshine. Hey, mommy had to swaddle you. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to teach everybody how to swaddle the baby. And you're going to be my example, okay? You going to be good for mommy? Yeah? You going to be good for mommy? Yeah? All right. Yeah. So I have the thing laid out here. And it's pretty simple. So make sure that this part is unattached to the Velcro part. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the baby inside of the swaddling blanket. I have my baby inside of the blanket. This is the first step you want to take. So before you use the left side or the right side, you want to make sure that the baby is inside of the blanket. And sometimes their legs will be up, and that's fine. Their legs will automatically go down eventually, so you don't have to worry about that too much. And then you want to make sure that the baby's right arm, which is on your left side, is down and kind of inside of the blanket. Okay. And then, well, thanks, Ben. Thanks, Ben. So, yeah, you want to make sure that the baby's arm is inside. And then once the baby stops moving, then what you want to do is you want to put this over to this side. So let's try it. All right, so as you can see, the baby's arm is inside, and I had to wrap this side to the other side of his arm. So his left arm is still out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this around just like that. Okay. Now, also make sure that it fits your baby perfectly. It's not going to be perfect every time you put it on them, but just make sure that it fits them well. So far so good, right, Benny Ben? Yeah? You just looking, no smile, no, you're not going to say anything? No. Are you ready for some milky milk? You ready to eat? Are you ready to eat? Yeah, you ready to eat? You ready to eat? Yeah. Yeah. All right. So that is how you swaddle your baby, and it's pretty simple. It's just 1, 2, 3. It's really just a 1, 2, 3 step. Yeah. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. And we will be posting every Thursday, right, Ben? So yeah. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.